Machine learning is transforming industries, but managing models at scale is a challenge. Enter MLOps, the practice that bridges the gap between development and operations, ensuring seamless deployment and maintenance of AI solutions. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well-Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. MLOps is crucial for scaling AI solutions efficiently. It integrates best practices from DevOps, ensuring models are reliable, reproducible, and scalable. This approach is essential for businesses aiming to leverage AI effectively. Azure provides robust support for MLOps, offering tools and services that streamline the entire machine learning lifecycle. From development to deployment, Azure ensures your models are production ready. Configuring Azure for MLOps is straightforward. Start by setting up your Azure account and exploring the available tools. Azure Machine Learning offers a comprehensive suite for managing your models. Azure provides a range of services like Azure DevOps and Azure Pipelines. These tools facilitate collaboration and automate workflows, making it easier to manage machine learning projects. Creating a machine learning model on Azure begins with data preparation. Clean and pre-process your data to ensure accuracy. Feature engineering is key to enhancing model performance. Model training and evaluation are crucial steps. Use Azure's powerful compute resources to train your model efficiently. Evaluate its performance to ensure it meets your objectives. Deploying models on Azure is seamless with its integrated tools. Ensure your models are version controlled and thoroughly tested before deployment to maintain reliability. Explore different deployment strategies for various environments. Azure supports flexible deployment options, ensuring your models are accessible and scalable across platforms. Automate your workflows using Azure Pipelines. This tool enables continuous integration and delivery, ensuring your models are always up to date and efficiently managed. Monitoring and managing pipeline performance is crucial. Azure provides insights and analytics to help you optimize your workflows, ensuring smooth operations. Scaling machine learning models on Azure requires strategic planning. Utilize Azure's resource management tools to optimize costs and ensure efficient scaling. Load balancing and high availability are essential for robust solutions. Azure's infrastructure supports these features, ensuring your models perform reliably under varying loads. Security is paramount in MLOps. Azure offers comprehensive compliance features to protect your data and models, ensuring they meet industry standards. Adopt best practices for data protection and privacy. Azure's tools help you implement robust security measures, safeguarding your machine learning operations. We've covered the essentials of building, deploying, and scaling models on Azure. Mastering MLOps empowers you to harness AI's full potential, driving innovation and efficiency. By mastering MLOps on Azure, you'll streamline your AI projects and achieve greater scalability. This journey enhances your ability to deliver impactful solutions. Take the first step in your MLOps journey today. Explore Azure's resources and start transforming your machine learning projects into scalable, efficient solutions. Recap: we've explored MLOps, Azure setup, model building, deployment, automation, scaling, and security. Each step is crucial for successful AI integration. Call to action: Begin your MLOps journey with Azure now. Dive into the tools and resources available and start building scalable, secure AI solutions today.